Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to pick the prenatal program on Leader. So actually guys, first you will need just open the Leader app, then just go to the programs and teams tab. So actually guys, this is the workout tab. So you can just go and move to the teams tab from here. So tap on the teams tab, and here you will need to look for prenatal or prenatal training program, or just go with learn more. Okay, so once you tap on learn more, you will have all the infos about or realize to the program. Okay, and then just go with view program from here, or view workout, then go with preview and go with start workout or join. So then just follow the setup questions like the fitness level and goal and schedule. And also guys, if you don't see or you didn't notice these options or these buttons that I typed on, like view program and start workout, join program, etc., you will need to update the app as well from the app store and check under the strength, wellness and specialty programs. Okay, also you can just go and tap on your profile icon or profile picture at the top right, then just go with the settings or the gear icon, log out from your account below, it's the last option on that menu, and log back in and search in prenatal in the search bar directly, so you can use the search bar as well. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.